I'm Dan.
And I'm Hannah.
Today we're going to attempt to carbonate prune juice and see if that makes it taste good. First we're gonna taste it. This is the first time I bought prune juice since you were a baby. You had some digestive issues and it made you feel better. It doesn't taste horrible, but I don't really like it. Do you like it? I think a lot of people drink it just because they're constipated, not because they like to drink it.
Oh, is this for the sugar testing?
Yes. It's a little more than 18% sugar.
Cool.
Let's carbonate it. It'll be interesting to see if this makes it taste better.
Okay, stop. I don't want to drink that much.
Maybe it's gonna be good. We filled it halfway because it may end up being way too fizzy. Into the fridge it goes. Fizfinity. This is actually a lot better. So what do you think?
It is a lot better than the original prune juice because the fizziness kind of distracts you from the fact that it's prune juice.
It seems like the carbonation hides any unpleasant flavors. We're also going to try making our own prune juice and carbonating that. I've read that prune juice is made commercially by steeping prunes in about twice their weight in water. We're gonna try that process. I've weighed out about 1 kilogram of prunes. I like prunes a lot more than I like prune juice.
A lot more.
And for some reason, they seem to have a bad reputation, but I think they're really pretty nice. I think some people have even gone so far as to market them as dried plums rather than prunes, because they're really just dried European plums. But these are a lot sweeter because they've been dried. We're gonna steep 1 kilogram of prunes in about 2 kilograms of water for 3 hours. It looks pretty gross already, doesn't it?
Yeah, it does.
It's been about 3 hours. We're gonna strain this and see what it looks like. We're gonna chill this before our next step. Our homemade prune juice has cooled down. Let's measure the sugar.
Okay. What do you think the number will be?
I think it's going to be higher than the commercial prune juice because in the commercial process, they steep the prunes 2 more times, adding less and less water, and then they combine it all together. So I think this may have a higher sugar content because we only did 1 water cycle.
Okay, I'll have a look. 21%.
Wow, 21% sugar. So what was the other prune juice? About 18?
18%.
18. So this has 3% more sugar.
I like this a lot better.
I like it a lot better too.
Let's carbonate it. Yes.
Look how thick it is.
It is very thick. This dissolves more carbon dioxide.
Into the refrigerator.
And now we wait.
Not bad. Oh, look at that. You can see how it's thicker. Fizfinity. Hey, that's pretty nice. That is the best prune juice I've ever had. Carbonated, homemade prune juice. It's totally drinkable compared to the store-bought. This one is more sour. This one is sweet, but it has a little bit of a bite to it.
I think the carbonated store-bought one was really good until I tried the homemade, which is way sweeter and it doesn't have any imperfectness in taste that I don't like.
But both of them are good, right?
Yeah.
Both of them are drinkable and far superior to the flat versions. I think of all the things we've carbonated so far, prune juice shows the most improvement from carbonation. Would you agree with that?
I would agree.
So if you have an occasion to drink prune juice, we highly recommend that you carbonate it. Click here to see us carbonate some other juices. Click here to see us carbonate some fruits. And we look forward to seeing you in the next video.
Don't say that. No, I prefer you using euphemisms.
Okay.
Second one.